Here I have Nokia 6 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, and here let's open the list of all applications right here. Let's find and select the settings. Here let's choose more under wireless and networks. Here you can choose network settings reset. So if you would like to reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, let's tap reset settings right here. And in order to begin this operation, tap reset settings one more time. The device is erasing all customized network settings, and network settings have been reset. You can go back and start using your default network settings. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.